that is what I saw coming into work this morning. Got a question from a viewer, Dakota, asking about the mileage on the vehicle when the engine blew and the mileage on the replacement motor. So this is getting a used, basically wrecking yard motor that we're putting in this vehicle. And great question.
So did you just have this thing running?
Yeah.
Nice. This was on the floor this morning.
Yes.
Yeah. You got it bolted up and.
Yeah. The engine was on the floor this morning, and it's running now.
Check this out. So I'm Russ Shaw, your DIY mechanic turned professional. This is my rookie year, learning from the pros, right? My coworker Anthony, technical mechanic whiz.
So the car itself, it said 85 on the work order, but we're not sure if that's accurate. What is the now you got it running? We can check the odometer.
89,566.
89,566. Wow.
And I've already got check engine codes.
That's when the engine blew. So now it's got the new heart transplant installed. The donor was probably somebody that wrapped the one around a tree or something.
Probably.
And now he's checking engine codes.
Oh no, I already checked them. I'm clearing them. Just to make sure that this is actually what's wrong.
And it's lunchtime. Well, it's a little after lunchtime.
Service traction control.
Yes, it's gone from this thing being on the floor to up and running. Swapped it out. Transmission stayed. Engine was bolted on. And here it is. I'm really curious about it because my Chevy Sonic was if this is what if I had the money and or resources, I would have had to do.
We've got turbocharger, boost sensor performance, and accelerator pedal position sensor.
Still needs some attention, huh?
Yeah, I have a feeling that this engine had some bad sensors on it. Reduced engine power.
Reduced engine power. Yeah, that's one way to find out. Looking for the, what was it, boost leak?
Well, I got a turbocharger, boost sensor performance, and circuit high voltage for the turbo, and then I've got an accelerator pedal position, sensor 1.
Conditions for running. $90,000 on the used engine. Cool. Well, thanks for sharing all your good work here. And there it is, put back together. Still has a couple of codes. It's in limp mode on the transmission, and there's a air conditioning hose got broke when they picked it up, so that needs to be replaced. But then it's done. Also, this is not something our shop usually does, installing a junkyard motor. I guess it was like an employee or someone, friend of a friend, right? Somebody in the network of shops that we work with who needed the engine swap and assumed the risk, right? So you buy an engine at a wrecking yard, there's no guarantees, on the labor on that. And we charge like $175 an hour. I don't know if we got a deal on the hourly, but it's a job, and it was sort of kind of pushed to the back and, not high priority, but so yeah, that we don't generally install junkyard motors at the shop I work at. So all done.
Don't forget to subscribe, and why not watch another video? Stick around!